But kung toxic yung inyong pasyente, kasi nga, payment is based on the severity. Ito yon. Okay? Si DRG coder ang maglalagay ng 112 and 20 sa grouper. Now, once you are done with this, the information galing dito sa grouper is the benefit payment. This is where the billing office comes in. Where the billing office comes in, this is where your ESOA, okay, will be produced based on the grouper. Ito po ha, ladies and gentlemen, hindi ho ito, no, yung paglabas ho ng ESOA pati ng CF5 ay hindi coincidence. May instruction si PhilHealth na gamitin nyo ang CF5 at ang SOA sabay. Intentional ho yan. Okay? Kasi kailangan ni PhilHealth yung ESOA. Yan ho yung cost ninyo. Yan ho yung tulong, yan ho yung information na ina-analyze ni PhilHealth. Okay? So sabay ho yung CF5, pati ESOA, okay? So sa DRG shadow billing, ginagamit ho nila yan. Okay? Hindi ho yan coincidence, intentional yan. Kaya kung titingnan ho ninyo dito sa slide, okay? The grouper, yung 112 and 20, okay? Eventually, isasalang nyo sa grouper, which is, wala pang grouper ngayon. And then, from that specific amount, okay, it should match the ESOA. Now, once you have that, okay, you are now compelled to make the forms. Ang sabi ni PhilHealth, mawawala yung lahat ng form, ang maiiwan is the interim CF5. Okay? But I doubt it. Okay. Mahabang kwento yan. So ngayon, may forms ka na. Okay? Ipapadala mo naman yan electronically via e-claims through the XML format. And of course, meron yung mga attachments. So, pag pinadala mo kay PhilHealth, okay, out of the 100 na ipapadala mo, okay, as usual, merong silang babasahin, which will be the pre-audit, and meron naman silang iba babasahin sa post-audit. Okay? So, ito po ha, before I proceed, type number 10 kung naintindihan ho ninyo, ito hong pag-chop-chop ko ng proseso. Okay? Type number 10, may I know, naintindihan ba ho ninyo ito? Okay? Step by step na ito ha. Okay, para na kayong nag-masterclass na to. Okay. So, okay, we have 10, we have 10. Okay. Now, ito yung bantayan ninyo. Okay? Sa side ni PhilHealth, okay? Ito po. Now, yung mga nag-implement ng DRG, before bayad or after mabayaran, may audit ho talaga. Hindi ho bago yung audit. Kaya kinakailangan ho ng medical evaluator. Okay? So, si Dr. Nancy, dito ho ito, Dok. Okay? In some countries, okay? Ito ha, ulitin ko. In some countries, they will require the clinical chart. Okay?